Good evening everyone, myself Dr. Nisha Malik, Assistant Professor from Department of Physiotherapy, RPIT Karnal. So आज हम बात करेंगे कंजेनाइटल हार्ट डिजीज़ के बारे में. So first of all, blood circulation after birth. The transformation from fetal to neonatal circulation involved two major changes. First one is a marked increase in systemic resistance caused by loss of low resistance placenta. Then B is a marked decrease in pulmonary resistance caused by pulmonary artery dilation with the neonate's first breath. ये आपका फिटल सर्कुलेशन है. फिर फिटल सर्कुलेशन 8 आवर्स ओल्ड, देन 24-72 आवर्स में क्या हो जाता है फिटल सर्कुलेशन में. So blood circulation after birth. With the first breath of the air, the baby take a breath. The fetal circulation changes. A larger amount of blood is sent to the lungs to pick up oxygen. Because the ductus arteriosus, the normal connection between the aorta and the pulmonary valve, is no longer needed. It begins to wither and close off after 72 hours. The circulation in the lungs increase and more blood flow into the left atrium of the heart. Pressure causes the foramen obviousle to close and blood circulate normally. Epidemiology of congenital heart disease incidence 8 per 1000 live births, 2 to 4 per 100 stillborn, 2 upon 100 per premature infant excluding PDA, patent ductus arteriosus, 10 to 25 per 100 abortages. Most congenital defects are well tolerated during fetal life. Etiology unknown in most cases. Genetic factor, single gene defect, chromosomal abnormality, environmental factor, gender differences in type of chronic heart disease occur during the first 8 weeks of fetal development. Factors contributing to congenital heart disease. 85 to 90% of cases, there is no identifiable cause for the heart defect, generally considered to be caused by the multifactorial inheritance. Factors are usually both genetic and environmental, where a combination of genes from both parents in addition to a known environmental factor produce the trait or condition. Maternal factors, seizure disorders with intake of anti-seizure medications, intake of lithium for depression, uncontrolled IDDM, lupus, German measles यानी कि rubella in first trimester of pregnancy. Factors contributing to CHD. Family history. Risk increase when either parent has CHD or when another sibling was born with CHD. If you have had one child with CHD, the chance that another child will be born with CHD ranges from 1.5 to 5% depending on the type of CHD in the first child. If you have two children with CHD, then the risk 5 to 10% to have the another child with CHD. If the mother has CHD, the risk for a child to be born with CHD ranges from 2.5 to 18% with an average risk of 6.7%. Chromosome abnormalities. 5 to 8% of all babies with CHD have chromosome abnormality.